My dear technicians, you're welcome to my new video. Today I bring you an alternative solution to your charging port issues. If any customer is disturbing you all the time, because some people they can be so bad to the extent of spoiling your image. So today I bring you a solution to that. If you keep fixing charging points for customers and they are complaining that it doesn't last, this is an alternative method. Now this is a USB method whereby you get a good working USB. Now you are going to determine the length you want, and then you cut it, and then you're going to use the end that have the USB Now you can see how I'm doing it. You cut it and then peel the wire. You can see. Watch it carefully. You pass it this way. Let me open it a little. Can you see? You pass it a little. So I'm ripping out the wire now so that I can solder it to the panel. In this way, no customer will come and disturb you and say, engineer, the charging port you repair for me didn't last, it has spoiled. So this is an alternative method. So now let me apply my LED. You can see. So we have your positive and your negative. So my dear technicians, I believe you know your positive and you also know your negative. Let me zoom for you to see. Let me apply my LED. Let me apply LED to the wire. Let me apply my LED now. I'm done. So now you can see we have our positive here to this diode. That is our positive. We have our positive. That's our positive. And now we're going to connect the negative. You can see. So now let's connect our negative now. We have connected it. You can see. So now let's plug it and test before we continue. Can you see it is working? It is working. I'm using a power bank to test this. Can you see? Can you see? It is working 100%. Can you see this? It is working. My dear technicians, can you see it is working? It is working. So now we are going to couple it now. Let's couple it. We're going to couple the MP3 now. I'm going to couple the MP3, the Bluetooth speaker now without wasting time. I want to couple it now. So we'll soon be done. Please take your time, do it very well so that there's no issue. You can see I'm done. After coupling it, you can see this how it looks like. So now we are going to make sure the wire is inside very okay. So let me apply a little glue. Don't apply it much, just a little. Okay, just a little so that it doesn't pull out. Just a little. Okay, just a little. So now let's wait for it to dry. To soon dry. You can see. So now let me test it for you. Can you see? You can see that it's charging perfectly. Can you see this?
My dear technicians, I'm done coupling the Bluetooth speaker. Can you see? So now let's test. Can you see? Can you see the red light? You can see that it's charging. So this is actually an alternative way. Can you see? This is an alternative way for your charging port. Can you see? It is working perfectly. Can you see? You unplug and then you plug it back. Can you see? Can you see? So please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.